Hi guys, and welcome back to the Taste and Bloom kitchen. Today I'm making some thumbprint cookies or jam cookies. It's super easy and it comes together in no time, so come with me. So to my all-purpose flour, I'm going to go in with some sugar. The measurements will be in the description box. Then I'll go in with some baking powder. Add salt to these dry ingredients if you're not going to be using salted butter or margarine, okay? But I used margarine, so I didn't need to add salt. So I'm adding my margarine now. This margarine is cold, okay? So mix the margarine in with the dry ingredients so that you don't have any margarine traces anywhere. Because it's cold, it can be a bit hard, but make sure all of it has been beautifully mixed with the dry ingredients. So this is what it should look like after the margarine has mixed together well with the dry ingredients. So I'm going to go ahead and create like a small dent in the middle and then go in with my egg. So I'm using just the egg white and then I'll add in some vanilla essence. You can use any flavoring of your choice and then mix it together beautifully. So the thing about this dough is that you have to have patience with it, okay? Do not be tempted to add in any more liquid. Trust me, it will come together beautifully. That is if you follow the measurements I'm going to be leaving in the description box. If you're new here, hello, my name is Yasmi and this is my kitchen. Please consider subscribing and joining this amazing blooming family. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back to watch my video. Also, if you've watched till this end, please consider giving me a thumbs up. Please do, actually, not consider. Leave a comment down below when you're done watching and then share the video as well so that others will get to know of the goodness in the Taste and Bloom kitchen. So as you can see, our dough is prepared now. I'm going to go ahead and roll it on my working surface, roll it out rather on my working surface. And then at this point, I'm going to be cutting out my cookies. So I'm going to be using a cup to cut out round cookies. So the thing is, you can use any round shapes of your choice. Round because the thumbprint cookies have the signature round look. So I'm going to give you two ways by which you can continue from here. So you can use your thumb to press in the middle of the rounded shape cookie like you can see and then add your jam in that section. Another alternative is also, and that's actually how my first son prefers it, okay? It is two biscuits layered one on top of each other. I'm going to explain it very soon. You see, I'm creating a dent in the middle of one cookie and then I'll put the jam on one that is not cut out. And then I'll place the one that is cut out on top of the one I placed the jam on. So like the way you see in the video, okay? So now all my cookies are ready. They are ready for the oven. These went in at 170 degrees for 20 minutes. And when allowed to cool down completely, these are divine. My firstborn is the one who requested for these and he devoured them. I hope you are inspired to try this very simple recipe, especially this festive season. You can even make it more fun by including the kids in making this. And obviously, you can be very versatile with the filling. See you in my next video and keep blooming.